in an apparent effort to discourage the litigants against the declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State. The judiciary, working under the instruction of the Tinubu administration, has now moved all the court cases in Port Harcourt to Abuja. That is what we're going to talk about in this video, because there is no better explanation to give why the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court has ordered all the court cases against state of emergency in Rivers State to be transferred to Abuja, when the matter that led to the declaration of the state of emergency were matters that happened in Rivers State. Now, how did this issue come about? Well, we got to know about this situation when the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tsoho, Justice John Tsoho, approved the transfer of all cases in the Port Harcourt division of the High Court relating to the state of emergency in Rivers State to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now, a document that was made public, which had been cited by several journalists, listed the cases that have been transferred to Abuja, including the case involving Dr. Farah Dagogo versus President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and 4 others in suit number FHC PH/CS/50/2025 and PLEX Center for Civic Education Initiative and another versus the administrator, suit number PHC/PHC/PHC/CS/4646/2025. Others affected are incorporated trustees of Reefs Bridge Peace versus President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and others in suit number FHC/PH/SC/43/2025. Incorporated trustees of People's Life Improvement Foundation and others in suit number FHC/PH/SC/51/2025 and Samuel T.O. Amatoje Esquire versus President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and others in suit number FHC/PH/SC/53/2025. Now, according to the Chief Judge, the cases were transferred to the Abuja division in pursuance of Order 49, Rule 2 of the Federal High Court, Civil Procedural Rules 2019. It was further gathered that before approving the transfers, the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, had written to the Federal High Court citing the court rules for a transfer of cases from the Port Harcourt division to its Abuja division. Now, that is the situation. All the cases that involve challenge of the state of emergency have been moved to Abuja. Why are they moving it to Abuja? When the matter is about River State, the incidents that led to the state of emergency, if any, supposedly happened in River State. So why are they moving the matter to Abuja? For what purpose will it serve to move the matter to Abuja? My understanding of it, no matter the other 2019 they are talking about, my interpretation of this is that this is all part of the game to frustrate any challenge of the state of emergency. Why did I say this? My reason for thinking like that is because now if you look at those who filed the case, many of those people are non-governmental organizations. Many of them do not have the resources to be moving back and forth from Port Harcourt to Abuja because of this matter. And it's not a personal matter to them, even though they are an interested party because they are citizens and indigenous of River State. So the state of emergency is impacting them. But to tell them that if they want to pursue the matter, they should come to Abuja is to discourage them from pursuing this matter. That is that these are, to me, it is to frustrate the challenge. There's no other way that it can make sense to me and to any reasonable Nigerian that an issue that concerns River State, an issue that concerns indigenous of River State, it was their governor that was suspended. It was their deputy governor that was suspended through the state of emergency. It was their lawmakers that were suspended. And they went to court to challenge that suspension because they are interested party in the matter. They are the people now living without a governor, living without a deputy governor, living without lawmakers. Now you are telling them that their matter, this matter, the court cases have been moved to Abuja. You know the cost of transportation in Nigeria today, whether by flight or by road, is not easy. There is no other interpretation that anybody can give any reasonable Nigerian on this matter, except to say that Tinubu administration has moved to frustrate the litigants who challenge the state of emergency that he declared in River State. A state of emergency that the Nigerian Bar Association say was an illegality. A state of emergency that the Nigerian Bar Association said that the removal of the governor was an illegality. A state of emergency in which the Nigerian Bar Association and all the best legal minds in Nigeria say was an illegality, the removal of the State of Assembly. A state of emergency in which the Nigerian Bar Association was categorical that the appointment of a sole administrator to superintend over the whole state in a democratic Nigeria was an aberration from day one. And people challenged it. Instead of defending it in River State, the federal government of Nigeria has the resources to hire the best of lawyers, whether from government or elsewhere to defend their reason for declaring that state of emergency as it has come under challenge. Instead of doing that, what they have done is to frustrate the litigants so that they will become tired of the case and literally abandon it. What they are looking for is an abandonment of the case, because there is no other explanation. Because if it is in the interest of fairness, justice, and equity, there is no justification why this matter should not be handled in Rivers State. This is to punish the litigants for having the temerity to challenge what they considered an illegality. And when Peter Obi say that democracy is dying in Nigeria, they will be arguing with him. What does this show now? It shows a country that has no respect, no regard for rule of law. That is what this means. And it's such a sad story. Such a sad story. Like the Chinese will say, we are living in interesting times. I don't know what to think about this effort by the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu to frustrate the litigants by moving the court cases challenging the legality of the declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State and the suspension of the state governor, the deputy governor, and the lawmakers. What is your view? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.